I'm going to take a stab at a stack of the day here. Again, if the market is down another 500, I'm not so sure any stock is going to be a good one because they were all down yesterday. But actually, they weren't. CME was up yesterday. Of all places, it fought the tape pretty well. I'm going to take a look. I'm going to look at some of these coal producers. They've been absolutely getting annihilated. The one I kind of like here is if I can get it. If it gets down around that 14 number, I'm going to jump for me and some of my clients, and hopefully not out the window, but jump into that stack a little bit. Not to say that it would be the bottom, but because you never know. But I'm thinking at some point here, I got some stuff that if I can, sell. Because one of the things you can do with some of these things is if you do covered calls, okay, on a stack, which means you own the stack and you sell a call, but you're covered by the stack. So that's why hence the term covered calls. When the volatility gets high enough, you can actually get yourself a little bit, again the word there is little, a little bit of risk control. Obviously it doesn't help you if the stack goes to zero, or a little bit. I've been looking, for instance, like this Arch Coal ACI. The stack's trading right now $15, all right? So it's down 20 cents, and actually probably a little bit lower than that. But say last night it closed at $15.20. The October 15 calls closed at $1.55. So now, obviously, if you sell those calls, your risk is now $13.50, which is still a lot. But really, you're talking about a 10% buffer in case the stack were to continue to go down. So as the cost of the options go higher and higher, and obviously the covered call writing gets more and more lucrative if you can find a spot where it doesn't go to 13.5. So it's one of the things people can do right now is use the options a little bit of as a buffer. Again, we can help you here at PTI with that kind of stuff, or whatever. Find yourself if you're not going to use us, find a broker who knows what an option is, and there aren't many of them around that do.